There is no doubt that the Fusion manufacturing extension includes a lot of functionality to support your 3-axis machining, but what is the real value of the extension to your business? While we are using a project such as this plastic injection mold as an example, it's important to note that these functions and scenarios can have the same benefit or add even more value to other types of parts, as well as benefiting production machining. Let's start with the toolpaths and automation contained in the extension. Automatic hole recognition streamlines the machining of holes by replacing the manual programming process with automation, which detects the holes in your part and automatically applies customizable templates of your standard hole-making processes. Steep and shallow simplifies the process of creating toolpaths for complex geometry by identifying the steep and shallow regions of the part and applying different toolpath strategies to each automatically in one toolpath to reduce programming time and improve surface finish quality. The corner strategy improves the finish machining of corners by identifying leftover stock from previous tools and then uses various toolpath strategies to efficiently and safely remove material while managing cutter load to prevent breakages and achieve the desired surface finish. Advanced Swarf allows you to create Swarf-style toolpaths, which are limited to 3 axes of motion to machine vertical walls that may also be connected to irregular floors, with advanced controls to achieve a superior surface finish, while also optimizing cycle time reduction. Deburr gives you automation to create toolpaths that can remove sharp edges and burrs after the main machining has finished, reducing the time needed for CAM programming and removing the need for manual hand deburring. Any one of these toolpaths alone is valuable, but grouping all the toolpaths together with their flexibility and automation can have a huge impact. On this example project, the extension can easily save 15 hours of programming time. That is not the only benefit, as we can add the ability to share best practices across your team, allowing newer members to benefit from the knowledge of more experienced engineers. Improvements to surface finish quality, reduction of machining time, and the removal of secondary processes such as hand deburring or polishing. The suite of modification tools allows you to quickly turn a good toolpath into an excellent one, without the need to recalculate the entire toolpath, thereby saving both time and effort. Trim or delete unneeded toolpath segments. Move start points to optimum locations, and quickly replace the assigned tool used by a toolpath so that it uses another tool with an alternative stickout or holder assembly. Toolpath modification gives you the flexibility to quickly create custom toolpaths. On a project such as this, these can be incredibly useful and could easily save 3 hours of programming time with the additional benefit of reducing machine cycle time and improving surface finish. Part inspection is a key step in manufacturing. Traditionally, parts are inspected on a CMM after machining. If errors are found at this stage, it's usually too late to correct them, so identifying faults early on is crucial. By utilizing your machine tool's touch probe, you can create operations to inspect features like holes, bosses, walls, channels, and corners during the machining process. This enables you to spot minor errors early and take steps to salvage parts before they become scrap, helping you to meet your quality goals and freeing up your CMM for final inspection. Part alignment aids in the process of setting up a component on your machine tool. This is especially helpful if you're handling parts that are large or complex in shape, or that have been machined previously. These can be difficult and time-consuming to set up. This process is simplified with a revolutionary solution that best fits the NC programming to the actual probe geometry, allowing operations to be carried out with utmost accuracy and efficiency. By fully utilizing your machine's touch probe, you can save hours or days, allowing quality goals to be maintained and part rework to be avoided. For this project, we project a saving of 12 hours, although this has the potential to be much higher on more complex jobs. If we combine these savings together, this represents 30 hours of time savings on a job like this. Shop rates can vary depending on global location and work complexity. Based off your typical shop rate, what is the monetary value of these time savings? Now, this is just one project. What if your business handles a similar project every month? What are your yearly savings? These savings shorten the return on investment for the Fusion manufacturing extension, but we should look beyond the monetary savings of time. The extension also offers benefits such as reducing machining cycle time, enhancing surface finish, and improving quality control. Consider what this represents in terms of value to your customers and the impact it will have on your business reputation. All the time savings mean you can take on additional work, and the increased functionality gives you the opportunity to take on higher value complex work that can further increase your profit margins. As you expand your capabilities with the addition of rotary axes to your 3-axis machine tool or a dedicated 5-axis machine, you'll already have all the tools you need to succeed, as multi-axis functionalities and toolpaths are also included in the Fusion manufacturing extension.